McDonald's expands its scholarship after it was sued, and the markets are skittish as trade tensions with China heat up. Jane King live at the New York Stock Exchange with those stories and more. Jane, good Tuesday morning to you.
Hi, Julia, and happy Tuesday. So we are a little bit lower to start things off. Nothing like yesterday, but the Dow's pointing down about 60 or 70 points. We regained ground yesterday after that terrible start and closed just a little bit lower as those overseas tariffs, Canada and Mexico, were postponed. Now, China tariffs went into effect at midnight, and China has retaliated with trade restrictions and an investigation into Google. However, I'm hearing this morning Google hasn't operated in China since 2010. So it sounds like these are kind of low-level retaliation on the part of China, not really bothering the markets too much so far. Well, McDonald's opened a long-standing diversity program to all races and ethnicities last week, following a lawsuit from a legal group opposed to diversity, equity, and inclusion practices. The American Alliance for Equal Rights says it discriminated against non-Hispanic students. The settlement last week saw McDonald's agree to open up the program to applicants of any race. And the FDA has approved clinical trials that will transplant organs from genetically modified pigs into human patients with kidney failure. United Therapeutics is the company that will conduct the trials, and 50 patients will receive the company's U-Kidney, followed by 24 weeks of post-transplant monitoring, including a safety assessment. Julian?
All right, Jane, interesting stuff. Of course, we'll catch up with you in about an hour when the markets open. A lot of people are going to see how those markets open up today. Jane, thank you.